My name is Elizabeth and I'm currently studying Sustainable Systems Engineering as well as a double degree of a Bachelor of Industrial Design. And I'm currently in my third year at RMIT. Initially, how I heard about the project was Niraj, our course coordinator for Sustainable Systems Engineering, posted an email requesting any help for presenting a trophy or designing a trophy. And myself and Rohan got selected.
Hi, my name is Rohan Panjwani. I'm studying Industrial Design and Sustainable Systems Engineering at RMIT. So we took on the opportunity to design the trophy. Being given this opportunity by RMIT is very important because I get to combine my passions of design and cricket in one. For me, personally, my family being so involved in cricket, it's a dream come true. Yeah, it feels very exciting.
I was mainly involved in the conceptualization and designing of the trophy. I could speak for the same for Rohan as well. The process for that was essentially designing up a ton of concept plans, so around 20 trophies I believe we designed. So after we finalized the design for the trophy, we ended up handing it over to the technicians for production. This is so they can 3D print it into the lab that we're in today.
There's a handful of things that you could say that you love about Melbourne. I love the sport, especially this time of year, the Australian Open. I like that two students have made this. I think it's well engineered. Feels like it's unbreakable. I'm holding it right now, and it's nice to be having something tangible to play for other than bragging rights.
I've held a few trophies that aren't as solid and heavy as this, so that's a first tick. And yeah, creative with the design and all that sort of stuff as well. So I think it's going to be nice to be playing for this in the future. I understand why you'd want to move here in terms of it's quite an inclusive, or it is an inclusive city to be a part of. It's been voted in the top, 5 cities in the world probably every year for the last 10 years.
I think for RMIT going forward, this will definitely excite more students and help them realize that they can actually make this kind of impact and embrace these kind of opportunities.
As a student of RMIT, this project has been phenomenal. The fact that I helped participate in the creation of this trophy that will have such a massive impact towards the winning team, as well as many Melburnian fans, or even across Australia for the Big Bash League. It's just such an incredible opportunity that was given to me by the university.